Okay, this is one of the problem, slip ring induction motor. Okay, and attendance 16 series P series 201 absent, none, bless C. 17 series U series 205. So read the question. RR dash. But, okay. Okay. So all of you know this question. So 205 present, and then U series 211. Radhika absent. This time I'm asking given data. What is the given data? Radhika absent. 210 U series 210. Asini 18 series absent. 209 also absent. 18 series U series 209 absent. 18 series U series 208. Amshivardhan. Okay. So your number 208 here. Amshivardhan. Tell me what is the given data here? Okay, this wet. So given that the voltage V is equal to 440 ohms. Okay, and frequency 50 Hz. Okay, and poles, number of poles 6. And the next star connected. Okay, star connected system. Then the stator resistance also given 0.5 ohms. Okay, then next rotor resistance also given, I think. Okay, let us assume RR dash. Okay, generally R2 dash or RR dash. So what it may be? How much? 0.4 ohms. Okay, good. And then XS, that is also is equal to, I think, XR dash 1.2 ohms. And then XM, magnetizing reactance, how much? 50 ohms. And how much stator to rotor turns ratio, I think, so given. Okay, stator to rotor turns ratio. Is equal to 3.5. Okay, and so this is the given data. Okay, stator to rotor turns ratio means just like a transformer. For example, N1 turns in a primary, N1 by N2. N1 by N2 is equal to 3.5. Stator turns are N1 and the rotor turns are N2. Let us assume N1 by N2 is equal to 3.5. Then, so K is nothing but N2 by N1 transformation ratio. N2 by N1. Am I right? So that is equal to 1 by 3.5. Okay, this is called transformation ratio. Okay, so in this relation that is called slip at which the maximum torque, okay, occurs in slip at which the maximum torque occurs in slip ring induction motor. Okay, So I will tell you the formula. Slip at which maximum torque? Slip at which maximum torque, that is equal to Sm. So denoted by Sm, that is equal to here. So we have taken RR, that's why R2 RR dash by, otherwise R2 dash by under root of RS square, that is called stator resistance, otherwise R1 square. Okay, so your notations taken like this, RS RR, that's why RS square plus XS plus XR dash whole square. This is the equation. Here slip at maximum torque, this is the equation without external resistance. Remember, this is the generalized equation without external resistance into the rotor circuit. Okay, with the external resistance whose stator referred equivalent value is called, let us assume RE. Okay, okay, this RE is called external resistance whose stator referred to equivalent value. Okay, stator external resistance RE is called external resistance whose stator referred equivalent value is called RE. Let us assume like this. Then this slip at maximum torque equation will become, okay, RR dash included into the rotor circuit, that is called RE. Okay, and then similarly, so there is no denominator, there is no rotor resistance. That's why, so RS square as it is, only in the rotor only, that is called in series with the rotor, that is called RR dash. So denominator is as it is. Okay, XS plus XR dash whole square. So like this is the formula. Okay, and then slip at maximum torque Sm is equal to, okay, and next U series 207 absent. Okay, okay, tell me what is the RR dash here? 0.4. Okay, 4.4, and then this RE is unknown. Am I right? And divided by under root of RS square. How much RS here? 0.5. Okay, and how much XS here? 1.2 plus same, both are same, na? XS and XR dash. That's why 1.2 plus 1.2. How much? 2.4. 2.4 whole square. So here unknown is called slip at maximum torque, and here RE. So your number 207. Okay. Then who is the next? 206. Okay, so simplify this equation. So we'll get like this. So all of you simplify this. RE is equal to 2.45. Okay, slip at maximum torque Sm minus 0.4. I got like this. So all of you verify it is correct or not. This is called rotor side resistance. Okay, how to convert the stator side? Equivalent resistance referred to the stator side. So what is the resistance, equivalent resistance in static rotor resistance metal control method? So this method, motor is controlled by static rotor resistance control method. Motor is controlled by static rotor resistance control. Am I right? Okay, what is the equivalent resistance in static rotor resistance control method? I will tell you. So that's, yeah, this is the in static rotor resistance control method. This is the equivalent resistance. RE is equal to, okay, 0.5 into, I'm already explained this concept, 1 minus alpha. Am I right here? This is called rotor resistance, external resistance inserted in the rotor circuit. Okay, external resistance inserted in the rotor circuit of a slip induction motor. This is called RE is equal to 0.5 into R to 1 minus alpha. Okay. So how to convert this into primary side? That means stator side. This equivalent resistance referred to the stator side. How to convert? Just like a transformer. 206. How to transfer the secondary side parameters into the primary side in transformer? You know? 206. Do you know or not? Tell sir. 205. 205. Absent. 205. Okay. Tell me how to find secondary side parameters. Secondary side parameters to convert to primary side by using my transformation ratio. No? How to convert by k square or into k square? By k square. That means if transfer this resistance into the rotor to stator side, here multiply by k square. Rotor to stator. Like this. Okay. And tell me. So what is the RE is equal to 0.5 into R into 1 minus alpha into 1 by k square. Na? 1 by k. K how much here? 1 by 3.5. That means into 3.5 into 3.5. Okay. Tell me what is this? Simplify 3.5 whole square into 0.5. How much? Think 6.125. 125 into R into 1 minus alpha. Is it right? Okay. So this is the another equation. Okay. RE is equal to 6.125 into 1 minus alpha into R. Here one more, this is for example, this is one equation, first equation. This is called the second. So let us assume second. Equate these two. Okay. Equate these two. You will get the equation in the form of unknown is called alpha. Equate this two. In the question is given the maximum torque occurs at standstill. At standstill condition, the maximum torque. What is the maximum torque? Maximum slip rate maximum torque. That's right. 205 is over. Okay. 204. 204 option. U series 204. Or otherwise U series 203. Okay. Tell me at standstill what is the slip rate maximum torque? At standstill, what is the slip? At standstill means the rotor speed is equal to 0. No? At starting condition, rotor speed is equal to 0. Then tell me what is the slip here? 0 or 1 or 1.5, 2 or? It stands 1. NS minus NR by NS. So NR is equal to 0 means it stands still, rotor speed is equal to 0. That's why 1. This is called slippage max. Okay, the maximum torque occurs at slippage maximum torque is equal to 1. Okay, and also in the problem is given alpha is equal to 0 also. The question, if alpha controlling angle, firing angle is alpha is equal to 0. Okay, substitute these values in this equation, equate these two. So tell me after equating these two. So what is the equation here? 6. Okay, 6.125 into R into 1 minus alpha is equal to how much? This is a 2.45 into SM minus 0.4. Okay, and equating these two equations. Okay, alpha 0. Substitute is alpha 0 and slip 1. 6.125 into R into 1, 1 minus 0, and 2.45 into slip 1 minus 0.1. Okay, then here unknown is only resistance. No? Tell me. Okay, how much here? And your number? 203. Then who is the next? Okay. Okay, 201. Use series 201. Use calculator, solve this. Okay, so what is the number? Okay, 201. Sanjay. Absent. P series 215. Absent. P series 214. So what is the value R here? Okay, just wait. 0.33. Okay, 5. So this is the resistance. By using static static rotor resistance control method, so we are getting this. Okay, an external resistance connected in parallel to the rotor by controlling this. This is the resistance, and here, so in the question, so what is the range of? What is the question here? Calculate the value of external resistance over that is called R is equal to 0.335. How duty cycle should be varied with the speed so that motor accelerates maximum. Okay, and here. So substitute these values R equation, this R and slipped maximum torque. Okay, in the equation, so this in this equation, substitute area and slipped maximum torque, and you will get some alpha. That is the firing angle. Okay, so here the alpha range in between very less. Okay, alpha range is in terms of 0.001, like that you will get this formula by substituting this external resistance R and slip in maximum torque in this equation. Okay, the slip in maximum torque is equal to ns minus n divided by ns. Substituting this slip in maximum torque and this equation, this this value and a slip in maximum torque in this value, you will get alpha is very less. Okay, so next problem, so it's related to this problem also, fourth problem. So based on this given data, so next problem is also there. And here, if 40 ohms is a resistance and 0.75 is the duty cycle. Okay, if the 40 ohms is the resistance, that is called R is equal to 40 ohm. Understood? So according to the static rotor resistance control method, this problem is based on according to the static rotor resistance control. If 40 ohm resistance, for 40 ohm is the resistance and 0.75 the duty cycle, the induction motor speed control using chopper. Okay, that is called static rotor resistance control, chopper control method. So what is the effective value of resistance? Okay, here effective value of resistance. You know, with this formula, so Re is equal to R into 1 minus alpha. Okay, and rotor resistance chopper control method. Okay, so here R is given, R is equal 40 ohms and duty cycle, that is called alpha, is called 0.75. It's given like this. Substitute here and then we will get answer. So Re is equal to external resistance, Re is equal, so 40 into 1 minus 0.75. So we'll get 10 ohms. This is the external resistance inserted into the, according to this problem. The effective value of the resistance Re is called. Okay. Simple problem. This may be expected for 2 marks questions. If 40 ohm resistance and 0.75 is the duty cycle for the induction motor speed using chopper control. Like this, we will get the question.